Morning, sir. My
Good
video
morning.
is network is a little sketchy. So two things. आपने जो what Mr. Piyush was saying that the control. आपने बोला control. I feel that after the morning meeting huddle, the need for control has gone down. People have started to take more ownership of whatever they're doing. So it's like it's a flow. It's more like a philosophy now, rather than being the control. So we want to move from a control and delegate style of management to a trust and inspire kind of management, wherein people trust each other and get inspiration from each other. People have started to do a lot of things themselves. So subconsciously, it is great. Otherwise, other things are work in progress, but thank you so much for this, sir.
Okay, excellent. Actually, I would have better chosen a word like maybe autopilot or something, but you said that the correct words are trust and inspire. So that is exactly what entrepreneurs should be doing rather than doing everything themselves. So, and better is to leave control to your team. So that is the right way कि autopilot हो जाए आपका, आपकी team drive करे सारा कुछ और आप उनको inspire करो, आप उनको motivate करो. That should be the objective. Excellent.